We've been talking about the Purkeys Multimeter kit, and today we're going to talk about the continuity function. This is a very handy function for technicians. They just have to be aware that there are good points and bad points whenever they do use it. Before we go into our continuity test, first we have to make sure we understand what is continuity or what is a continuity test. Continuity test is just a simple function on your meter that it allows you to go from two ends of a wire or ends of a circuit, and it will tell you, are they connected? First what we're going to do is we're just going to trace out our ground wire on our basic circuit on this board and show you how we're going to do it step by step. Obviously we got to turn our meter on. On the Purkeys Multimeter, we're going to go to our second notch here on our meter, and we have to use the mode button until we get the little symbol up here. It kind of looks like a speaker. That lets us know we are on the continuity check. Before we do anything, we're just going to check. We do get a beep, so we are on continuity check. We're just going to start the battery. If you notice, we have the positive cable disconnected, so we're not working on a live circuit. And we're going to check the wire from the battery to this junction stud. Shows we do have continuity between those two. I'm going to go from here now over to our light. It is all a common ground, so we should have continuity, which we do. I can go from there now to our relay. Again, still common ground. Check it. Again, continuity. This is where a technician can accidentally misdiagnose something. If he goes to the hot side into ground, his first reaction is there's something wrong, so I shouldn't have continuity. Well, again, we're going through that coil of the relay, and it is going to go to ground. So what do we need to do to properly check this, to make sure you understand it, is pull the relay out. And we can recheck it, and now we should not have continuity to the power side. Like we said, continuity check is another function of a multimeter, and it can be very handy. You just have to keep in mind what the limitations are and understand how that circuit is wired so you don't get a false positive like you would if you are checking, again, lights or something that has a coil to it.